Hello students, welcome to Notebook. In this video lesson, we'll learn about India's location with reference to its space relations and place in the world. Let us begin. Students, India is the 7th largest country in the world. It measures 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Try and mark the northernmost and southernmost latitudes and the easternmost and westernmost longitudes on the map of India. India's boundary extends up to 12 nautical miles in the sea from the coast. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is roughly around 30 degrees. We will learn more about the same in the video on latitude, longitude and time. Students, the latitudes are parallel. Hence, the distance between two latitudes is same everywhere, whereas the longitudes meet at the poles. Each degree between two latitudes is 69 miles, 111 kilometers. According to the latitudinal position of India, it is tropical on the southern part, whereas subtropical on the northern part. Tropic of Cancer passes through India at 23 degrees 27 minutes north. The variations in landform, climate, soil and natural vegetation is due to this latitudinal difference. The vast longitudinal extent of 30 degrees renders a time difference between the easternmost cities like Imphal or Dibrugarh and westernmost cities like Jamnagar or Chennai at 2 hours. India has one standard meridian called the IST, Indian Standard Time, located at 82 degrees 30 minutes east. Try and find out the cities through which it passes. IST is ahead of Greenwich Mean Time by 5 hours and 30 minutes. Fun fact, there are a total of 24 time zones in the world, of which USA itself has 7. Find out the rest of them. India is the 7th largest country in the world, which accounts for 2.4% of the world's land surface with 3.28 million square kilometers in size. Russia, Canada, USA, Australia, China and Brazil are the 6 other countries which are bigger in size than India. With the lofty Himalayas on the north, the Great Northern Plain, the peninsula in the south, Marusthali in the west, to Delta in the east, India has a wide variety of landforms, including islands. The Indian subcontinent has an ocean on its eastern coast and the Arabian Sea on the western coast. India is endowed with rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, and passes like Rotang, Nathula, Zojila, etc. India has a great physical diversity. Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and China borders India on the north. Sri Lanka, Maldives on the south. Bangladesh, Myanmar and Thailand are the eastern neighbors of India. Although India is landlocked on the northern side, its mainland coastline, which is 6,100 kilometers on the southern peninsula part, provides immense maritime links to its neighbors through the sea and air routes. Students, India is separated from Sri Lanka by the Gulf of Munnar and the Park Strait. Try and find out the difference between the two. Although India is endowed with such rich physical diversity, often it acts as a hindrance as well. What do you think, students? With this brief introduction to India's location, we come to the end of today's video lesson. See you soon, students. Goodbye.